So maybe you are some form of tech founder, you're looking to run some Google ads, and you got to that point when you're thinking, all right, keyword research time, let's figure out what kind of keywords are right for my business. But this is a big question, and there's a lot of different opinions on this. Luckily, I have now conducted 6 different pieces of research into the topic, over roughly 10 million in ad spends worth of data, and we understand very well now within my agency and within the SaaS ad studio what kind of keywords work and what kind of keywords do not work. And so this has helped us to direct a tool which is now available to you to produce a perfect set of keywords. There is a free version of this tool before you worry about that. To be clear, I have made this myself. The SaaS ad studio is my own manufacturing, so I'm totally biased, but I believe it genuinely is the best answer for you. But before we dig into that, let's talk about quickly what makes for a good keyword, broadly speaking. So this is coming from over 8 years running an ads agency and now building the SaaS ad studio. And as I say, a whole lot of research as well. So the first thing is complete user intent. This is one of the most important things that most people get wrong. So the difference between, for example, having the word ads versus paid ads agency versus SaaS paid ads agency. So the important part is most of the time people waste their money on the non-money part. So if we didn't have agency, for example, within the keyword for someone looking for a SaaS paid ads agency, that's much more likely also going to include people trying to just learn about SaaS paid ads or just paid ads. And if we don't have the SaaS part, well, maybe we're going to show up for a bunch of skincare ads agency searches. And if someone's trying to do skincare ads, that's very different to SaaS. And so we're not as right for that. And then, of course, the other bit which connects into that is don't miss the money bit. So we want to make sure that we have the agency part or whatever that might be for your business. There's a lot of software companies right now where it might be API, because API is the part of the search that means that you know that they're trying to build a real system here, as there's more likely to have money behind it. And then, of course, you're going to take these keywords and you're going to set them into ad groups. And so you want to have one particular user intent per ad group. And the last part is match types. So this has changed over time, but right now, generally, I recommend really phrase match, especially if you're using a tool like the SaaS Ad Studio, which will help manage the automated side of search term analysis and setting negatives and things. If you're trying to be especially safe, you might go for exact match. If you've got really big budgets, you might go broad match, but that's really an exceptional situation for most people probably watching this video. And then the beautiful thing about this is Atlas, the AI within the SaaS Ad Studio, is going to do this for you. Again, I'm showing you the paid version within the studio, but I'll show you in a moment the free version of this tool, which you're able to use. It's a little bit less in depth and there's a little bit less that it gives you, but it does still do the trick of delivering it. I'll skip over for a second and show it to you. It's here, the Google Ads keyword generator for SaaS. You can find this at saasadstudio.com. That's saasadstudio.com. But if we go back over here, you can see that it's already started to produce keywords for me. It does it in batches, so you can start to kind of look through these. And as you can see, if I just click, I'll add a phrase match of each of them. So SaaS ads software. I put in my own company name. What this does is it takes the brand DNA of your company. So when you sign up to the software, you give us your website, and then we get to know everything about your company. And then we build the keywords based off of this. So then you get to select really from this kind of smorgasbord of options. So SaaS ads software, Google ads software, Facebook ads software, because we do Google and Facebook ads optimization software. This is honestly great. Campaign management software. I almost want to say yes to all of these. I think these all sound great. We've also got alternatives like competitors, which is found. So Optimizer, Magic X, Adspresso, etc. So there you go. Let's just say we're happy with these. And then it's going to continue to get more keywords for me. In some cases, there'll be ideas that don't work for your particular business, and that's totally fine. There's always a little bit of human kind of deliberation and choice that should come into anything like this, because you know your business really well. But there's a huge amount of research that's come into selecting these for you. And I'll skip forward. You can then see it's created this keyword list. If I wanted to as well, I can double click and it'll add something as an exact match. And then if I wanted to command click, it can add it, see, as a broad match or exact match. You can see it's happened down here. You can also just remove, and then that will remove it from the above list selected as well. And then you're also able to group these by intent into the ad groups that they should be set to. So this does that for you as well. That doesn't happen within this tool, the free one, but it's available there. And once this is done, you're then able to save this within the SaaS Ad Studio. And the great thing about the studio is the step before this, as you can see, here you go, here's the grouping. Really nicely done. So it's put the Facebook ones together, for example, ads optimization type keywords, Google Ads specific here. Some really nice combinations here. It's done a pretty good job. It's put all the competitor ones together for you. So then you're able and ready to go to move forwards. And there's a lot of other resources. But as I was about to say, you've also got the campaign structure side of this. So before your keyword research, you probably want to configure your campaign structure. So how much budget will you spend? Are you going to do brand or not? And then once you've saved those keywords into your system as well, you can hit save, and then you'll move on to making your responsive search ads. And then you can literally build your Google Ads campaigns from the SaaS Ad Studio right here. But let's just say you want to do keyword research, no problem at all. This has already done it for you. And this is a paid feature, but you can get to conversion tracking for free if you want to try this out. And there is a free version. So if you go to, like I said, saasadsstudio.com, and then you can see inside tools, there's a whole collection of free tools, which I would love for you to try out and hopefully will help you on your journey in launching your Google Ads and managing your Google Ads to success. So yeah, I hope this was useful. I hope you enjoy this free tool and give the SaaS Ad Studio a try if that's of interest. And anything you think I could do to improve this or any feedback, please do leave a comment and I am here to help.